Is the D3D Compiler 47 DLL missing error hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. Avoid long manual edits for D3D Compiler 47 by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This DLL file is the standard 64-bit shader compiler for modern DirectX applications. It is used by the OS and games to compile HLSL shaders for DirectX 11 and 12 on 64-bit Windows systems. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The D3D Compiler 47 64-bit DLL is a standard component within most gaming graphics runtimes. You can resolve this by installing the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy D3DX and X input files, and updating your GPU drivers if the error involves OpenGL, OpenCL, or CUDA. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the D3D Compiler 47 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Keep in mind that the D3D Compiler 47 64-bit DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on the D3D Compiler 47. If you've regained access to the D3D Compiler 47 thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.